Yep. Yeah, no, that's gonna
여기
be great.
직장에서 한가하게 시간을 보내는 한 남자가 있습니다.
I don't know how you do it, Lucy.
Do what?
진지함이라고는 좀처럼 찾아볼 수 없는 오늘의 주인공 베리.
Hey, I don't know what you got going on later, but I was thinking of hitting a happy hour over at Chili's. Got a workout partner.
I don't date people at my workplace.
Who said date? TGIF. Not your type on me!
No, seriously. I used to get beat up like twice a week for having such thick eyelashes.
Is that your card?
Oh, no.
Is that your card?
No.
No.
That's so sad.
Yeah.
Sexy.
I'd kill for those.
Well, now, yeah, sure.
Is that your card?
Yes! Oh, my God! That is incredible!
머릿속엔 늘 여자를 꼬실 생각뿐인 그를 주변 사람들조차 철없는 인간으로 여기지만 본인은 스스로를 매력 넘치는 자유로운 남자라 착각하며 살아가고 있죠.
No duds. That's my candy.
I'll have a soda. Okay?
Dose.
여느 때와 다름없이 베리는 오늘도 여성에게 추파를 던지고 있습니다.
Like, what do I buy? Soda or a sofa?
Yeah.
Well, it was nice talking to you.
You don't want to sit with me?
Well, I guess.
그렇게 한 여성과 영화를 보게 된 베리.
If I told you right now that you would never, ever, ever get your hand down my pants, would you still talk to me?
Talk about what?
한창 분위기가 무르익어가던 순간 두 사람 사이를 오해한 여성의 아버지가 갑자기 등장하는데
What are you doing here?
Dad. Sir.
그는 들고 있던 트럼펫으로 망설임 없이 베리의 급소를 내려치죠. 그대로 기절해버린 베리는 병원에서 간신히 눈을 뜨게 됩니다. 모두가 걱정스러운 표정으로 그를 바라보고 있었죠.
I'm sorry to be the one to have to tell you, but we couldn't save him.
Save who?
Oh, Barry, your testes.
의사는 베리가 쓰러진 사이 하반신에 큰 손상을 입었으며 결국 끔찍한 것의 수술까지 받았다고 말합니다.
You really don't remember what happened to you down there?
Get out of there.
It's just kind of like when you had your tonsils out.
여자를 꼬시는 재미로 살아가던 그는 순식간에 인생의 재미를 잃어버린 기분을 느끼죠.
I had an accident.
예상치 못한 상처를 입자 여자친구에게는 바람을 폈다는 오해까지 받습니다.
I have no sympathy for cheating assholes. And if you think the love I give you is all fun and games, well, you would better sleep with one eye open, mister.
Can you untie me? Excuse me, Lonnie? I was wondering if I could take a leave of absence. Basically, I have some family issues.
휴식을 위해 회사에 휴가를 요청하지만
I've been in this business for 40 years, and I can always tell the difference. You don't have any family issues, do you?
베리가 늘 빈둥댄다는 걸 아는 상사였기에 그의 태도를 비꼴
You sit in your
뿐이었죠.
office, pretending to be on the telephone, shuffling papers all day, and every hour or so you get up and walk around Lucy's desk like a four-ball tomcat. And what's worse, you don't even care enough to cover it up.
악재는 악재를 부릅니다. 삶의 의미를 잃어가던 그에게 한 통의 편지가 도착하죠.
Miss Ginger Farley. Miss Farley believes that you are the father of her unborn child conceived on or about February 11th.
베리의 아이를 가졌다는 여성에게서 양육비 지급 명령이 내려졌다는 내용이었습니다.
If you wish to deny paternity, I will seek an order of the court for DNA testing. Please contact me within 10 days. Sincerely, Newton Creech, attorney at law.
하지만 아무리 생각해도 베리의 기억 속에는 존재하지 않는 진저라는 이름.
What the fuck is Ginger Farley?
게다가 그는 아직 결혼에 대한 욕심도 아이에 대한 열망도 전혀 없었죠.
No, thank you. Children, they smell and grow up to hate you and take your money. I'm sure I grew up without a father. Maybe that colored my outlook on life. I don't know. All I know is I once had options. My balls were great. I was great.
결국 베리는 진저를 직접 만나보기로 합니다.
Why'd you want to meet me, Barry?
Ginger, it's good to see you.
Is it?
Yes.
그녀는 자신을 임신시킨 그를 곱지 않은 시선으로 바라보고 있었죠.
This is familiar. This is where we met, Barry.
베리는 그녀를 제대로 기억하지도 못하고 언제 사랑을 나누었는지조차 선명하지 않습니다.
You want to sit down?
No.
Yeah. So, how far along are you?
Well, on February 11th, a few moments before midnight, your little sperm army stormed my pink beach.
평소 술과 충동적인 만남이 많았기에 누가 누구인지조차 헷갈릴 정도였던 것이죠.
Newton said you had no memory of her.
You did?
What an asshole.
Right.
No, you. You're an asshole.
Ginger, I don't mean to offend, but are you totally 100% absolutely positivo sure? that
베리는 자신이 함정에 빠졌다고 생각하며 그녀를 돈을 노리는 사기꾼이라 의심합니다.
One night and with a shit-eater like you.
그의 뻔뻔한 태도에 화가 난 진저는 뱃속의 생명체가 베리의 아이라고 강조하며 그에게 아버지로서의 책임을 강요하죠.
And you're not going to run away from your responsibility.
며칠 뒤 공원에서 귀여운 아이를 보게 된 베리. 아이를 바라보고 있자니 왠지 자신도 할 수 있을 것만 같습니다.
What's this?
그는 결국 진저의 말을 믿어보기로 하죠.
You're not going to take
Yeah,
the...
I don't need to take a test.
Why not?
Because I know.
You know.
Yeah. I feel it.
하지만 사람을 쉽게 믿지 않는 그녀는 자신을 기억조차 못했던 베리에게 쉽게 마음을 열지 못합니다.
Very funny, Barry. What do you want from me?
I don't, nothing. I just,
You don't think that if you were there for the passion of our sex, that you should be accountable and take responsibility for this little miracle that we made?
no, I'm saying I want to take responsibility here.
This isn't all my fault!
Why are you yelling at me?
Shit-eater.
Ginger, I'm saying I want to be a part of this, like a real dad, you know? With dedication. Financially, spiritually, morally.
베리는 특유의 능청스러운 태도로 조금씩 진저에게 다가가려 하죠.
How's the drink?
It's awful, and this straw is ridiculous.
So can I touch the baby? Can I touch your belly now? Can I go to the doctor with you?
Knock, knock.
결국 임신 검진 날 함께 병원을 찾은 두 사람.
Hey, Ginger, how we feeling?
Well, my feet are swollen. I pee 2,000 times a day. I haven't taken a shit since Tuesday. And
베리는 임신에 대해 아는 것이 하나도 없습니다.
Okay, good. Let's see here. We have, we have a possible due date of December 10th.
Sweet.
Yeah. So, you're still thinking about having the water birth at home?
yeah,
What's a water birth at home?
I want to have the baby submerged in water. Naturally and beautifully.
You mean like in your tub?
모든 것이 낯설고 신기하기만 하죠.
Yeah, okay. Dr. Shriver, I'm Barry Monday. I'm the father. I was, will I be allowed to participate in the birth? I'd like to be there to help with the baby when it comes out.
Absolutely. You and the midwife will be side by side.
Are there any foods that Ginger shouldn't eat? I read somewhere that pregnant women shouldn't eat blue cheese.
그래도 그는 궁금한 것을 묻고 자신이 도울 수 있는 일을 찾아보려 합니다.
Sometimes women poop. Like during the birth.
It's natural.
그는 진저를 위해 본격적으로 임산부에 대해 공부하기 시작하죠.
This is our second child, and while my wife knows that she won't fit into her old clothes, she's still beautiful. And it's my job to tell her that she looks amazing all the time.
얼마 후 진저 부모님의 초대로 식사 자리에 함께하게 된 베리.
If it's a boy, Haywood.
Haywood?
Mm-hmm.
Haywood Monday?
The baby's last name won't be Monday. Because we're not married, idiot.
I mean, I'm here, Ginger. I'm the father.
Fine. Because this baby's in me, not you. Because every minute I am making a human being, not you.
진저는 여전히 방어적인 태도였고 베리는 책임을 넘어서 아버지의 역할을 해내려 하고 있습니다.
So, Mr. Monday, we've got ourselves a bit of a situation here, don't we?
Yes, sir.
Did you not tell my daughter that you would accept full responsibility for being father of this baby, you shit-eater?
Yes,
Financially, morally? Mr. Monday, Ginger is hard-headed, but she is my daughter.
하지만 그녀의 부모님마저 베리를 몰아세우고 그는 그 앞에서 한없이 작아질 뿐이었죠. 그렇게 어렵게 이어지는 식사 자리.
This is the first time Ginger has ever brought a man home to meet us. Our Jennifer brings fellas home all the time, but that's Jennifer. You stop that. She is not a slut.
Jennifer is very, very special, Ed.
인생에서 진지한 관계를 만들어 본 적 없던 베리에게 책임을 논해야 하는 상황은 낯설고 두려운 일이었습니다.
I feel it's my role to tell her she looks amazing all the time, which I try to do regularly.
So, Barry, you were telling my wife about yourself.
어색하지만 조금씩 노력하려는 베리에게
I thought about getting into triathlons.
이번에는 진저의 여동생 제니퍼가 느닷없이 그를 유혹하기 시작하죠.
It's good. It's really good.
Where?
아빠와 남편이 되는 법을 배워가고 있는 베리에게 그녀는 흔들림을 주는 위험한 장애물입니다.
Arrange to have lunch, the three of us.
That would be great.
Get to know the new father a little bit.
That sounds good.
하지만 예전처럼 엉망으로 살아갈 수는 없었죠.
I guess you knew Barry before the operation.
I guess so.
So Ginger, mother to mother.
베리 역시 엄마에게 진저를 소개하며 가족을 만들어가는 과정에 들어서고 있습니다.
I guess I just want my child to feel loved and appreciated, even if it's 180 degrees different from me.
서로의 가족에게 소개를 마치자 이전과 다른 소속감을 느끼게 되는 두 사람.
You wanna maybe tell me about this operation in case I get placed in that situation again, honey?
I went to a matinee a few months ago. One second, I was watching a movie. And 6 hours later, I woke up in a hospital where they had removed my testicles.
베리는 진저에게 자신이 당했던 사고와 거세 수술에 대한 이야기까지 솔직히 털어놓으며 서툰 방식으로 꾸밈 없는 진심을 내보이죠.
Before, but with the baby, you being pregnant was a real miracle in a lot of ways.
Shut up.
No, come on, I'm serious. There's purpose now. Direction.
Morning, Hoss.
Oh, hey.
Free for lunch?
Sure.
얼마 후 직장 상사에게 점심 제안을 받은 베리.
Tom Farley. As for my number one shit eater.
우연히도 상사와 진저의 아버지가 친구라는 사실을 알게 됩니다.
How do you know Tom anyway?
I'm friends with his daughter.
How you doing? Nice to see you, man. You look spectacular.
상사를 따라간 식사 자리에는 기다리고 있던 장인어른과 베리를 곤란하게 했던 제니퍼까지 함께였죠.
Hi, Barry.
Hi, Jennifer.
Oh, I think our table's ready. All right. Great.
Thank God. I thought you were talking about the other daughter. What's good here?
Well, I'm a red sauce man myself. Best in town.
Hey!
그녀는 여전히 가벼운 태도로 베리를 흔들고
Hey, Barry.
Whitefish, my favorite. The chops.
엎친 데 덮친 격으로 바람을 폈다 오해했던 전 여자친구까지 등장합니다.
Special somewhere.
Hi, lover. So, this your little kitty cat?
No, Elida. Look, this is not the time or the place.
베리는 어른들 앞에서 제대로 망신을 당하죠.
She's an old girlfriend. Before Ginger, a long time ago.
So I heard you had an interesting lunch yesterday.
She's an old girlfriend. She's crazy.
일은 풀리지 않고
You're such an idiot.
진저의 태도는 여전히 방어적입니다.
Oh, the idiot and shit-eater stuff all the time.
노력하는 자신을 알아봐 주길 바라는 베리.
Can't win. It's like you constantly expect me to disappoint you.
And why would I expect that?
Remember, you called me. And I'm here.
Whatever, it doesn't matter. I don't blame you for a goddamn thing.
사실 그가 바보 같고 가벼운 사람이었지만
Well, I want it to matter. I want you to like me.
어설퍼도 책임을 다하려는 모습을 진저는 어렴풋이 느껴가고 있었죠.
Liking people is easy, Barry.
베리는 점점 멋진 아빠가 되기 위해 노력합니다. 그는 집에 쌓여있던 성인 비디오도 청산해버리고 일까지 열심히 하며 직장에서 인정도 받게 되죠.
Yeah, we're gonna take care of Alex, Eddie, and Hey, Ginger, you know what? I think we're gonna have a girl.
어느덧 진저의 집을 편하게 드나들게 된 베리.
Oh, by the way, I forgot. Jennifer invited you to her graduation.
진저는 그에게 동생의 졸업식 초대장을 건넵니다.
Can I feel it?
하지만 이제 그녀의 진심을 알고 싶은 베리.
Are you scared?
그저 책임감과 양육비만 원하는 것인지 아니면 함께 행복한 가족을 만들고 싶은 것인지 말이죠.
Do you want me to go to your sister's graduation?
If you want.
That's not what I'm asking. Let's not pretend these people like me.
Are you afraid of my family?
Yes, yes, I am. Each one of them, individually and as a group.
Fine.
그리고 베리의 노력은
Yes, I would like you to accompany me to my sister's graduation.
굳게 닫혀있던 진저의 마음을 조금씩 열고 있었습니다. 얼마 후 제니퍼의 졸업식 날.
It's so nice to finally meet you. Come in.
Hi, nice to
베리와 진저의 가족이 한자리에 모이게 되는데
sweetie.
Hey,
Hi.
you look nice.
You're wearing a suit.
You want another piece?
Not yet. It's kind of gross.
It's going good.
They can hear you.
What?
They can hear you.
한결 편해 보이는 두 사람의 모습에 질투를 느낀 제니퍼가 또다시 베리를 곤란하게 만들죠.
Father Walsh, did you hear about Barry's accident?
Well, no, I don't think I have.
See, Barry was at a matinee and some wacko just attacked him.
Attacked him?
It was awful.
Jen.
Oh. Anyway, somebody just comes into the theater and right into his, you know.
엉망이 되기 직전의 식사 자리에
Oh my god! What?
갑자기 진저의 출산이 시작됩니다.
Can you have some baby? Call Janice.
Who's Janice? The midwife, you idiot!
Mary?
Watch the step, watch the step! Mary!
You're yelling at me.
There's no room for you. What? No room!
그녀의 소원대로 수중 분만이 진행되고
Why don't you step into the tub?
I'm wearing a suit.
Well, you can strip down to your undies if you wish. There you go, sweetie.
Push. What the hell is this?
정신없는 와중에도 베리는 마음을 안정시켜준다며 괴상한 돌고래 소리까지 준비해오죠. 효과는 전혀 없었지만 베리는 출산의 순간을 두 눈으로 지켜보게 됩니다.
And all the world has such a land. I did what I thought I just had to do. I was wrong.
Say hello to your little girl.
자신의 아이를 처음 본 그는 말로 다 할 수 없을 만큼 마음이 벅차오르죠.
How's she doing?
Thanks for staying the night. I know you had your graduation.
You know, we've never had much time alone together, Barry.
Why are you doing this?
Does it still work?
이제 그는 제니퍼의 유혹에 당황하지 않습니다.
What is it? Is it that you just don't like me? Is it really that boring being everybody's favorite all the time?
자꾸만 자신을 시험하려는 그녀를 단호한 태도로 밀어내죠.
What are you two doing up?
진저의 출산 이후 두 사람의 아이는 하루하루 건강하게 자라고 있습니다.
Sweet girl. Right there.
Broken. Your daddy?
Yeah.
Fantastic. See the little bugger.
Okay.
하지만 공원을 산책하던 중 아이가 동양인 같다는 말을 듣게 되죠.
Excuse me?
Your baby. Oriental, right?
I don't think so.
Been in this park over 30 years. Seen every baby from red to blue to Tyler, too. Eyes, hue of skin, nothing like Japanese skin. Damn soft, too. Velvet.
지나가는 행인의 말이었지만 베리는 우연치 않게 진저의 이웃집 남자가 바로 동양인이라는 사실을 알게 됩니다.
What? Sorry. Why are you sorry? Sorry. Why are you... Mom, do you think Cornelia looks like me?
Yes, I do.
Does she look like my father?
No, neither do you. Your father was an ugly man.
자신이 아이의 아빠가 아닐지도 모른다는 두려움.
Where did he come from? She's beautiful, isn't she?
She's a Monday. Cornelia. Something Monday.
Just Cornelia.
불안해하는 베리 앞에서 엄마는 딸이 그를 닮았다며 베리의 어릴 적 사진까지 꺼내 보여주죠.
Poor thing.
Ah, yes. I was fat.
She's got your nose. She's got your toes. Look.
Who has anyone's toes?
Oh, you were such a good baby. It never bothered you that we were poor. Never bothered you that we were alone.
아버지의 자리에 서게 되자 베리는 자신의 아버지에 대한 궁금증도 커져갑니다.
Did he know you were pregnant when he left?
Barry, if I tell you he knew, you'll make yourself crazy wondering why he left if I say he didn't.
I just want to know.
그리고 어릴 적 그가 자신을 버리고 떠났다는 사실을 확인하게 되죠.
Maybe behind a sperm doesn't make you a father. Or a man. You've built your own house now. It's there. The circles.
예전에 벨이었다면 술을 마시거나 여자를 만나며 슬픔을 잊으려 했겠지만
Did you know there was love like this in the whole wide world?
성장한 그는 겸허히 슬픔을 받아들이며 지금 자신이 마주하고 있는 더 큰 행복에 집중하려고 합니다.
That's just bragging.
서로를 의심하고 밀어내던 처음과 달리 이제는 웃으며 속마음까지 나누는 두 사람.
That sucks. Hey, why me? I mean that night. Why with me?
Most of my life, I think, people never really paid much attention to me. They kind of just forgot about me.
그러던 중 베리는 무던하고 조용했던 진저가 지나가던 행인의 말에 크게 상처를 받고 홧김에 자신과 하룻밤을 보냈다는 사실을 듣게 됩니다.
Watch where you're going, you ugly bitch!
And it just took it all away. Just that one sentence, and I felt really like an ugly bitch. And so that night,
그녀의 예민한 모습은 갑자기 임신을 해버린 불안한 현실 속에서 스스로를 지키기 위한 방어적인 태도였던 것이죠. 그녀 역시 누군가의 사랑을 받고 싶은 사람일 뿐이었습니다. 과정은 혼란했지만 이제는 많이 달라진 두 사람. 베리에게는 아이와 사랑하는 여자가 생겼고 직장에서 인정받은 그는 상사에게 일을 부탁받을 정도가 되었죠.
Appreciation. I just talked to Tom Farley this morning. He wanted you to handle it personally.
Whoa. Yes, thank you.
Oh, by the way, I need you to stay late tonight. Martin LaFleur is supposed to call around about 6 or 6:30. I need you to walk him through the proposal. Cool?
Sure. Yeah, cool.
늦은 밤 야근을 마치고 돌아온 베리.
Hello? Ginger?
지친 몸으로 도착한 집에는 자신의 생일을 축하해주는 많은 친구들이 있습니다.
your mom and I wanted to organize something special for you.
Who's the surprise? I forgot it was my birthday.
Happy birthday, bro.
Hey, man. Oh.
Got you a little something. Your mom said it's the good stuff, so I went ahead and had a little sip.
Yes, you did. Dr. Habib.
Hey, Barry, how are you?
I'm doing great.
How's it all feeling down there? Everything working?
I can't believe you fell for that late phone call today.
그는 더 이상 엉망진창의 인생을 사는 남자가 아니라 주변 사람들에게 인정받기 시작한 이제야 어른의 출발선에 선 사람이 된 것이죠. 그리고 생일 파티에서 엄마에게서 한 장의 카드를 받은 베리. 그 안에는 어머니가 숨겨두었던 아버지의 사진이 있었는데 영락없는 동양인의 모습에 베리는 자신의 아이가 할아버지를 닮았다는 사실을 깨닫게 되죠. 행복한 가족으로 성장한 베리의 모습과 함께 영화는 막을 내립니다.
Now it's hard for me to believe I never would have chosen this life.
육체적인 상실을 겪은 남자가 처음으로 책임을 배우고 누군가를 사랑하게 되는 이야기였죠.
Letting my hand drift between my legs to make sure I wasn't dreaming. But I also remember getting that letter from Newton Creech and reading every word twice. Before I could even think about it, before I could even poison the reaction, I was overjoyed.
대단한 영웅담이 아니라 창피하고 엉망진창인 과정을 통해 진짜 어른이 되어가는 성장담을 그린 영화 베리먼데이였습니다.
Can you tell me I wanna believe